Welcome to this new video from the ASA Art 3D website. We will see in this tutorial how to simulate waves generated by an object in water. You are watching a quick tutorial video. Other types of videos are available on my site. We are going to need a plane that will serve as a canvas and an object that will serve as a brush. We will also have to animate the submarine so that it crosses the body of water so that the waves can appear. Now we are going to add a plane and subdivide it several times. We will also add a subdivision modifier to further increase the precision of this mesh. Now we are going to add an object that will be used as a brush. The scene is now ready. We can add the modifier to tell Blender that the plane is the body of water that will receive the wave effect. We can now add the modifier to tell Blender that the submarine will generate waves. Now let's go to the shading editor and add a material to simulate the color of water. To see the end result, we still need to bake the animation. This is what we are going to do now. Are you interested in other Blender videos? Do not hesitate to consult my channel or my website. Thanks you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates.